Welcome to Practicing Photography. My name is Doug Gabbard, trying to get better one photo at a time. Tonight's going to be a short video. I've got a box full of puzzle pieces that I'm going to be dropping and try to get some pictures of it. I'll show you my setup, and I'll give you a slide or give you a screen with all my settings and what I've got. As you can see, I got my GoPro here on the left, the camera set up on a tripod with 24-70mm lens, box full of puzzle pieces, some whiteboard, black cloth, a MC light from Aputure, and I have my tripod with a Godox flash for my off-camera flash. So let's get on to the project. Let's play with the puzzle pieces. I'm just getting my camera set up. I have it set up to take a picture every 5 seconds with a 2-second delay so that I can see when the picture is going to be taken. And just dropping the puzzle pieces. Wait for my red flash. There it is. One more. Let's do a couple more. Missed that one. A few pieces. One more. All right, set up for the black. And pick up a few of the puzzle pieces. Don't need them all until I'm done. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Let's drop some puzzle pieces for the black background. Here we go. And again. And let's put the light back in it. Drop some more. And like I said, I put in the video earlier the settings. I'm going to set at 1/15 of a second, ISO 100, and don't remember my aperture. I think it's 5.6 or 8.0. I'll put a note up on top. What kind of home projects do you do with your camera? Share in the comments down below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, let me know which photo you like the best. Last one. Last one. Oh, missed it. Try it again. 2 and go. I got that one. And that's about it. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, hit the subscribe and the like button down below. It helps me out and lets me know you're watching. Lets me know I want to keep doing these. See you again. Let's get better one photo at a time. This is Doug Gabbard for Practicing Photography.